So welcome back for one more time. I want to continue quickly with an undefined algebraic expression. An undefined algebraic expression. The undefined over there simply means that the algebraic expression does not exist. What do I mean by does not exist or undefined? It simply means that the algebraic expression is in a fraction form, and then anytime you have a fraction and your denominator happens to be 0, it means that the fraction does not exist or it is undefined. So we are going to have algebraic expressions, and then we try to find the values of the denominator that will make the fraction or the algebraic expression undefined. And then that is what we are going to look at quickly in our in the next maybe 8 to 9 minutes. I'm hoping to work within that period. So within the next 8 to 9 minutes, I'm hoping to do something like that. So let's go through together and then see how best we can make progress from here. Yeah, so like I said, the undefined algebraic expression happens to be the algebraic expression which is in a fractional form, and then the denominator happens to be equal to 0. So we take one or two questions and then we see how best we can move around it. And then when you are given a question and you've been asked to find the value of the algebraic expression which makes it undefined, it simply means that equate the denominator of the algebraic expression to 0 and then find the value of the involving variable. If the variable happens to be y, happens to be x, happens to be m, a, b, whatever variable, find the value of that variable that when you put into the denominator you are getting 0, and then that makes the whole algebraic expression undefined. So let's take one or two examples and then we see how best we can move from there. Yeah, so over here we've been asked to find the value of m for which 2m over 1 minus 3m is undefined. Simply means that 2m out of 1 over 3m. When we want to find a value of this which would make it undefined, meaning we have to equate our denominator. So we pick the denominator, equate it to 0, and then we find the value of that variable which would make the denominator be equal to 0. So I have 1 is equal to 3m, which means that m is equal to 1 over 3. So therefore m is equal to 1 over 3 makes the algebraic expression undefined. We can prove for that, but I don't think it's really necessary. So let's do it. 2 into bracket 1 over 3 times all over 1 minus 1, 3 into bracket 1 over 3. 1 over 3, 3 cancels out, leaving 2 over 3 all over 0, or 1 minus 1, which is 0. When it happens like that, I'm going to have 2 over 3 all over 0. And then any number divided by 0 is undefined or does not exist. There's no way you can tell me you are dividing something into 0 equal parts. It does not exist. So this is the value of which makes this expression undefined or non-existent. Okay. So second example, I have 3x plus 5 all over x squared plus 5x plus 6. This is what I have. And then I've been asked to find the value of x for which this expression is undefined. The same thing, I take x squared plus 5x plus 6. I equate it to 0. Now this is quadratic, and we know how to go about this type of quadratic. So I have x squared, factors of 6, that means when I multiply I get 6. When I add I get 5, that will be 2 and 3. So x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 being equal to 0. X into bracket x plus 3 plus 2 into bracket x plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3 times x plus 2 is equal to 0. It means that either this is the one given as 0, because if you are multiplying two numbers and you are getting 0, then it means that one of the numbers should be 0, because there's no way you multiply two non-zero digits and then you get 0. So one of the numbers is 0. Either the first one is the one given as 0 or the second one is the one given as 0. How do we know which is given as 0? So we take the two of them, equate them to 0 one after the other. I take the first one, x plus 3 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to negative 3, or x is equal to negative 2. When x is equal to negative 3, here becomes 0, making the whole thing true. When x is equal to negative 2, here becomes 0, making the whole thing true. So these are the two values. So therefore, x is equal to negative 2, negative 3, and negative 2 make the algebraic expression undefined. So you see, this is not something difficult. It is just about the understanding that you need to get before you be able to solve something like this. Let's take one more example, then I give you something to try whilst you're also at home watching me. So I have 1 over y plus 1 over y plus 1. So I have to make sure that I have a singular fraction. I don't need to get a fraction minus another fraction, or a fraction plus another fraction. Sorry, I don't want to get something like that. I have to get a singular fraction. So solution, first of all, I need to sum the two fractions. What's the LCM? The LCM is going to be y into bracket y plus 1 all over. So y goes into this y plus 1 times, so you get y plus 1 times 1 here. And then y plus 1 also goes into the LCM y times, so you get y times 1, which will give us, we are not really interested in the numerator, I want the denominator, so let's work with that. I have y into bracket y plus 1 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0, or y plus 1 is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 1. When y is equal to negative 1, it makes the whole thing undefined. And then when y is equal to 0, it makes the algebraic expression also undefined. So on this note, I will give you something for you to try. 2 questions, you try them, and then you let me know what you are getting. If you are making progress, you would know. If you are not making progress too, you would know, because when the questions are given and then you are not able to solve it, it makes it look like you don't understand what is happening. And so just keep trying, then let me know what you are also getting. Then if I can help you, I will do so. Alright, thank you. So these are the two questions, and then try your hands, and then do have a nice day. See you in our next video. Bye bye.